How to set up custom Facebook profile URL link. This is how the default Facebook profile URL link looks for every individual, which is a string of characters or numbers. But you can set up your own custom profile link that's unique and relatable to you. Let's see how it's done. Once you log into your Facebook profile account, you need to click the account profile image in the top right of the screen. And next, select Settings and Privacy tab. And again, select the Settings option from the menu. Here, on the left side of the page, you need to enter the Account Center section. You will see the Name section in the right side of the page. Click and open it. And in the pop-up window, you will have to click Username tab. And here, you can enter your choice of username for your Facebook profile. Only when the username is available, you can set it, or else you need to type in a new username and find if it's available. Once the username is available on Facebook profile, you need to click the Done button. You can confirm the Facebook custom link is set up by going back to your profile page on Facebook. And done successfully. The Facebook custom URL is short and neat, making it easy to remember and share with others. I will be getting you more videos of different topics like this, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon below the video to get new updates.